Hello and welcome back, Patriot Contraptions here, spur of the moment video. I wanted to share this information because I had a horrible time finding it on my 2000 Ford F-150, and that is what directions or what thread directions the bolts are on the idler pulleys, aka left or right hand threaded. So I'm going to go over that. Now, one thing I want to point out before I tell you the information is that this is the V6 4.2 liter model of the F-150, so this may not be correct for any other of the model years out there. I believe this model runs from 1997 up until 2003, so just be aware if you don't have the 6-cylinder model, this may not apply at all. So here we go. Let's run through the pulleys. We'll go from top to bottom here. From the top down, our first idler pulley here is a regular right-hand thread, number 50 Torx. Next up, we have on the tensioner a 15 millimeter bolt, and that is a left-hand thread. Then we have a right-hand thread, number 50 Torx, holding the tensioner to the motor, and a right-hand thread, number 50 Torx, holding the bottom idler pulley to the motor as well. So overall, this one is, on the bottom one is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. The Torx here is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And up here we actually have our only righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. Then up the top again we have our regular righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And there you have it. Hopefully this helps you out. I had a really hard time finding this information on my F-150. So, saves you a lot of time. Be sure to subscribe as a thank you to me. Really makes my day. I don't get paid to do these videos right now. I just do them for fun. So definitely subscribe. Keep me motivated. It means a lot to me. I'll see you in the next episode. Patriot Contraptions, signing out. Hoping you have a fantastic day.